Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off this sort of auto caption on TikTok. So some videos will have it, some videos won't have it. But to turn off this like subtitle thing, you're just going to press on this sort of square, the one that has the words "So I ordered Pizza Hut today," and the DoorDash driver left the whole bag. You are just going to press on that subtitle and press hide captions, and to bring it back you are just going to select this icon over here to bring back the caption. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!